Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have for you the AIA American Influencers Beauty Bundle. I'm really excited to get into this because I'm always really happy with what we get, and this one is heavy. So let's go ahead and get started. I do want to remind you that I have a giveaway going on my Test Tube Beauty video. It's the November-December one. It's the latest one. If I remember, I'll post it in the description box so you can just click the link. But okay, so I've got it open, and I'm sure you've seen it before, but if not, this is how it comes. Okay, it's a little bit greasy. I think something might have leaked. Okay, so this is a Trust Professional, looks like hair care line. I don't know if it's the entire line, but this is the lady. They always have somebody who curates the box every other month. This is a $35 every other month subscription. Yeah, so sorry I'm saying so much. Alright, so first thing I'm pulling out here is a shampoo and conditioner set. And they are 300 milliliters, 10.14 fluid ounces. So a good size. Alright, yeah, something definitely leaked in here. There's stuff all over. Alright, oh, that's pretty cool. The bottle's got, like, little bumps on it. This is a hair protector. Gel Cream Daily Protector. It says Detangling, Softness, and Shine. Okay, so hold is 0, shine is 4, and volume is 0. But it's just a heat protectant, so I mean, that's okay. But it's got a little pump on top. Next in here, it says Night Spa Serum, 100% vegan serum base, highly moisturizing, reconstruction, anti-aging, anti-frizz, softness, extra shine, protective layer to seal cuticles. So that's cool, and 250 milliliters, which is 8.45 fluid ounces. So again, really nice size of these. Okay, and last, oh, okay, this is what leaked. It's all over it. It says Deluxe Prime Hair Reconstructor to be used after shampoo or before conditioner or mask truss. Okay, so if I forgot to tell you, the brand is Truss. But I've never used anything like this before, so I'm excited to try that. I'm just going to put that back in. And last we have from AIA Tangled LeaveIn Detangler Spray. So that's nice that they're putting something kind of like extra in the box from them. Alright, so let's go over, do they have any prices on here? They don't have any prices on here, which last month, or 2 months ago they did. But yeah, so that's what we got. I'm pretty excited to try this. I really like hair care, so this should be, you know, good for me. I guess I could kind of... Oh, it smells really good. The shampoo. Yeah, and the conditioner. Yeah, so that's exciting. All right, thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you'll consider subscribing, or at least like this video, or leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.